This video, I'll be explaining about one of the important factors in learning AWS, that is global infrastructure. So the AWS has spread across entire world, covering about 26 region as of mid 2022. And if you look at the AWS map, there are at least 8 to 10 more regions that are planned to start AWS services, right? And each of the region can have two or more availability zones. These are nothing but a specific location, physical location, where the Amazon is hosted its hardware, and all the services would be provided from that location, right? So typically these availability zones are located in a very near distance, but not on the exact same building. So as of mid 2022, there are 84 such availability zones, and more coming as expected. And next comes the AWS edge locations, and there are about 100 plus edge locations where there are quite a few services that provide caching and local data compliance regulations. So that way the data is served very quickly to the end users. And moving on, as soon as you log into the AWS Management Console, on the right top side, you should be able to see something called as in Virginia in the screen if you're looking. And if you look at the actual regions, they are US East Ohio, and US West. And likewise, you have for Africa, Asia Pacific, and several others. So the reason for maintaining servers at different region could be related due to the compliance, right? Certain countries may have certain compliance, and you had to store data in particular region, and it should not really cross, right? So that is one reason. And the next reason is the proximity. So the proximity is also important so that your data is served faster. And third aspect is the pricing. So the pricing in the same region will be cheaper when compared to the global regions, right? And also it provides a lot of security and other features if you host your service on a particular regions, right? So that's all about this quick video. We'll see the next video.